Hey, this is GameDev. In this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use post-processing effect. I have a basic scene down to show you guys the before and after post-processing effect. As you can see, my player has some basic movement system and the game right now also doesn't look good. To get started, go to Windows, Packet Manager, a window should open up. Click where it says package in project, change it to Unity registry, search for post-processing and just click install. Once it's done, click packages, try to find the post-processing folder and open it. Then open the other post-processing folder, then open timeline. Find the post-processing layer and drag it into the camera. And as you can see, it needs a layer. So create a new layer, name it post-processing, add the layer to the camera and to the post-processing layer. Find the post-processing volume, drag to the camera, make sure that it's global, is true or it won't work. Now go back to assets, create a post-processing profile, drag it inside the post-processing volume. To give it effect, just open up the post-processing profile, choose what effects you want. I won't be showing you exactly what does what, so I recommend trying everything out. And as you can see, this is before and after adding post-processing. If you want to see some more semi-weekly short tutorials, make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.